For my next video, I'd like to do one on continuing on your other connected devices. So I'm using the Samsung S25 Ultra, and just to give you an example, what this means is I can pick up, I'm on my tablet, say, I'm working on a web page, and I want to pick up from where I left off on my Samsung S25 Ultra. And you don't have to be in the same room or anything. There's two prerequisites. You have to be logged into your Samsung account, and you have to be on the same Wi-Fi. So let's just dive right in. As I'd say, let's go to connected devices, and we want continue on other devices. You want that on, and then pick up where you left off on other devices signed into your Samsung account. To use these features, your devices need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network and have Bluetooth turned on. Continue apps, continue what you were working on in Samsung Notes, Samsung Internet, and other apps from one device to another by tapping the button that appears on the recent screen. Works with phones and tablets. However, I can tell you, if you don't have a recent screen, just going up is going to allow you to get to your recent items. So here we have the example. I don't have a recents, but all you have to do is swipe up, and then you can see right here, Internet Beta at the top. Internet Beta at the top, go ahead and open. And now that's what I was looking at on my tablet. So you can actually see where you're working and what you were doing on another device, on the device that you have. So it comes in really handy. Copying and pasting, copy text, image, files, videos, Wi-Fi networks. Wi-Fi networks you've used on your phone or tablet will also appear on your other device. Tap the network to continue automatically without entering the password. Camera continuity, take pictures or scan documents on your phone or tablet, then continue working on them in the apps like Samsung Notes or your computer. So you have to be logged in your Samsung account and on your Wi-Fi. And then you have the opportunity to go to your other device that's running whatever it is you want to use. So that's continuing. And the way we get here, let me do this again to show everybody. You go to, went too fast, your settings, connected device, continue on other devices. Make sure that's turned on both devices. And that's how you do it. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time. And until next time, I'm out.